California's Lemon Law covers both new and used, purchased and leased vehicles. The California Lemon Law applies if your vehicle has been repeatedly repaired during the warranty for defects that affected safety, value, or use. So, what qualifies as a serious defect? Think along the lines of a defective engine, faulty brakes, transmission problems, or electrical issues that make your vehicle unsafe or unreliable. If your vehicle falls into this category, you could be entitled to remedies such as a Lemon Law refund or replacement vehicle. Remember, the key is that the defect must substantially impair the vehicle's use, value, or safety, and the authorized manufacturer dealership must have had a reasonable number of attempts to fix it. In California, this is generally anywhere from 2 to 4 repair attempts. If you own or lease a vehicle you suspect to be a lemon or have any questions about a problematic vehicle you bought or leased in California, the Lemon Law experts can help. Our attorneys have recovered millions of dollars in compensation for consumers across the state since 2009. To learn more about the best options available for your case, contact our team at 877-721